Welcome to my channel. I am Candan Kaplan from Lite. Today we are going to make a dessert. As you know, desserts are my favorite. So we are going to make a semolina dessert. These are my ingredients. Also Germans have this kind of dessert. This one is similar to German style. Let's start. I will use 1 liter of milk. It's 7 tablespoons of semolina. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. Normally it is 8 spoons of sugar, but I don't like too much sugar, so I put 4 spoons of sugar. Let's whisk it. And dissolve the sugar. As you see, it's bubbling. It's not so liquid, not so dense. I will add 1 packet of vanilla and mix it. As you see, it is ready. Turn off the heat. Finally, I will add 1 coffee spoon of butter. It will help dessert not to crack. With the heat, it will melt because it's still hot. Now let's shake it with some water. The water inside it prevents our dessert from sticking. Let's pour it down. It smells amazing. Now shake it a little bit to a cool shape. I let it cool down, then I will put it in the refrigerator. After 3 hours, our semolina dessert is ready, as you see. Now let's take a piece of it. Some coconut powder. And some crushed pistachio on top. So our semolina dessert is ready to eat. Mind is everything. What you think, you become. Thank you for watching me this week. I want to share simple recipes with you. See you on our next episodes. Ciao.